was a lizard, but he ran away. But friend.
Hello, this is Tess, and right before the video starts, I would like to kind of explain a little that this video was taken at the beginning of the year before COVID really became a problem, and we were on a very secluded trail, and that's kind of why none of us are wearing masks, and we didn't realize it was a problem, kind of. That sounds really ignorant right now, but yeah, okay.
So we have made it to the trail, and we're now stuck with Tess doing a photo shoot, but you know, that's fine, so yay. It's high. Tess, quit looking at your phone, give commentary, you fat fuck.
Higher than a kite. I'm making my pee.
God damn. You got anything to add, Savannah?
One small step for man, one giant leap. Oh, for mankind. Bradley, I'm too much of a whip to jump. I'm not gonna be able to. I'm gonna sit down. No, I'll help.
No, let her sit down.
Well, now I feel like it's bad. Oh, that scared me. I don't know why I did, but it did. Oh. Brother, help me.
King.
Ah!
Long live the king.
It's so pretty, you know, looking at all the nice scenery and flat rock and Bradley. Oh, and then Tess and Savannah got it going on.
Don't die.
I'm not sure now. There's a whammer. Oh my god. Be very careful.
Yeah, be very careful on that. Hold on to one of the rocks as leverage. You're gonna need to project if you're gonna be that far away.
I said, here I come. Or no, I said, here I am.
You good? Okay.
I said, here I am, Mr. Fairy Universe.
Well, good for you. You did find a pretty spot.
Alright, so are we gonna swim?
Waiting on... Don't die. Yay, they made it down without dying. So, are we gonna go swimming?
Here? Yeah.
They said we can. Are we going to?
Sure.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, so fogged up.
Savannah, what are you thinking of it so far? Oh! I see Rachel having a pain face. Cult meeting time, not pictures. Today we're learning about misogyny. Cult meeting part 2. Today's the initiation. And so today, what I'm gonna have you do, you gotta prick your finger, you see. Then you gotta smear it. Can you please take a look at the rocks? Do you notice anything odd about Sam?
Sam spilled his strawberry jam.
Pretty sure he died. He probably went in that cave.
Oh! The cursed cave.
Shrek! Don't look down!
Oh, it's so nice. I can hear the water. Yeah, you could have went that way. Oh, there's stuff there. I didn't know that. I tripped a little bit. Huh. Here we are again.
Yeah, we're still on this.
We have made little to no progress.
Yep, and it's been an hour and 30.
Tess leaves us every time.
Me and Rachel left the dumbasses.
Yeah.
So, yay us. Oh. Yeah, it wasn't exactly easy. We made it though.
Yeah. Parkour.
Jeopardy theme.
We got here first.
What we just found.
I saw a snake and then I fell back on Tess and yelled, snake!
You got anything to add?
He slowly crawled away like, I'm out of here.
And it's still just sitting there. It hasn't moved.
I don't like snakes.
And on we go.
It's only 15 minutes away from the waterfall.
We walked 4 miles.
4 miles. But we're out of shape, so that's like 100. How y'all doing? Savannah said her leg hurt if you didn't hear that.
I'll probably put subtitles on it.
Okay. I believe in you and I believe in me.
Shit.
To the waterfalls.
Yep.
You're in there and you threw that.
Oh, fucking well. Oh, I can't see shit. Woo! I'm gonna need help down.
You guys having a good time?
No!
I was until I realized, oh, we're getting nowhere.
All right, be very careful.
All right, Bradley,
These rocks are slick.
I'm gonna throw my backpack down there in a minute, all right?
That's fine. Let me get down first.
So, we just went in one big old circle, apparently.
We have through all that steep ass shit for nothing.
We probably didn't even get to see the falls.
We got to see shit.
Yeah, we saw cobweb and big old snake and
That was probably.
Gary. We saw Gary. Gary the snail. You know him. You've heard of him.
Oh, you're talking shit. No more.
Wait.
I thought this was gonna be a fun experience, and it was not at all.
Oh. I feel like I broke my toes.
I
But
won't hear
there's a bunch of Gary the snails, and I stepped on one, and I feel so sad.
well,
now.
that's their fault for being there.
Oh. I'm not paying attention to the video because I'm trying not to die. But
What do you mean?
we got it. We got it. We're following them. Tune in a minute for water.
Shooting.
I look like shit now. I didn't look like shit before.
Well, you gotta take off the clothes and stuff.
Brandy, you want to dip your feet in at least?
I'm doing that. I need to cool off.
We're gonna have a little fun in the water time.
Well, after our mishap of going in a circle instead of up to where we wanted to go, we stopped and they are now swimming again. So Savannah's just chilling up there.
We are in the natural habitat of the seahorses. They swimming.
Nature. Everyone, I see the cars.
I think that ranger guy left.
We're almost out. I could see freedom.
The gates.
I could smell the freedom. The trail we were on is full of potholes, and we had a really shitty time trying to get up.
But I'm coming. I'm gonna let them go through because I know it's bad right there.
God damn it, Rachel.
Well, that's fine. You want me to go? There we go.
I want to get out of here.
I'm not gonna make them go through a hard time in the potholes.
We had to, they have to.
No, I had like a hard time. Shit, go through here. Dad's gonna be like, so how was the hiking trip? The hiking was pretty good. Getting there was the issue.
There's an ant on your windshield.
God dang it. Ah.
It's all the way up here.
Oh, frick! Big old GMC.
No.
Okay, as the video is wrapping up, I would also like to say that we were here for like 5 hours and that all this footage is just a little part of the trip we had, and we had like a lot of mishaps actually with this trip, and I'll get to that in a minute, but first you need to hear Bradley yell about this. Okay, wait, I'll be right back.
Here we go! Fuck! Fuck!
Bradley and Rachel very much did not like this road that we had to take up to the trail. But continuing, yeah, Bradley like twisted his ankle on the trail and we had to stop for a bit. And Rachel slipped on a rock the second time we went swimming and like laid there for quite a bit. But overall it was a good trip. Yeah, and we had a great time, so bye.